Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a real quick how-to video working on the 96 Softail here, and of course on this one it's got a Harley Davidson carburetor with the awesome plastic fuel inlet, and just like all of them, they break. So instead of buying a whole new carburetor, I found this guy on eBay that sells a kit for about 35 bucks, I think it was, and it has a brass fitting. So we're going to try it out and follow along. So here's the carburetor, and you can see the little plastic piece is broken right there. And this is the kit. Comes with a brass piece, tap, and then spacer and bolt to extract this. So we're gonna give it a go. The first thing we're doing here is taking off the rest of the plastic that's remaining. Tad is tapping away at the stock little brass piece that's there. So the hole is tapped. You can, the camera will zoom. Kinda. Hole's tapped. Now we're gonna put the spacer in, the bolt in. It's got a 7/16 and a 3/8, and we're pulling that brass piece out. Alright, so we just put the brass fitting in, use a good old hammer, a few tap-tap-taparoos, and it's in. Done. Success. 35 bucks, saved my carburetor, so I'm going to have to say it's a good buy. As long as I throw it on and it doesn't leak, yeah, definitely a good buy. And as always, thanks for watching. If the video helped you, finger fudge that like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks.